showing to you.
I am creative mode.
Oh, you're creative mode already?
I can see your name.
No, I will drink the potion too. Ha! Invisibility.
I'm defeating you.
No. Invisibility potion. I will drink this.
I cannot find you.
I will be on third person. Oh man, I cannot. Oh, I'm invisible. Ooh. Where are you?
I'm invisible too.
Where are you? I cannot see you.
I'm putting on armor.
You see that?
Mommy, that's me, oh.
Wow.
That living suit of armor.
Wow. So what we will do now? Oh, I saw you have that one. A sword.
I have more. A bow and a
Come on, let's build the house
bow.
here beside the
And
villager.
arrow.
Beside this village. Want?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Mommy, my house is made of diamonds.
Wow. How about
The
me?
same like my armor.
My house will be made of...
Pink wool.
But there's no pink here. Maybe on block of gold. Block of emerald.
Mine is black
Of
of
gold only. Okay?
black of diamond.
How about my house will be gold? Where will we build?
That is beside the village's house.
Here? Come on. Come with me. I'm invisible, you see? Let's go here, Kane. How about here? Wow, there's a big platform here. Let's build house here. There, oh.
Where are you?
I'm holding a block.
What is it?
Oh, you can see me now.
Where are you? Ace. Ace.
I will build a house. Ha! I will build the house now. You build the house too. Oh man, you're building a house beside me. Oh, I will put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe on the 8th block only. Like,
Hey, I want to change my armor to be gold. Golden armor.
I will put armor too. To be perfect. I'm gold now. I'll put the Pokemon.
I will be.
Hey, build the house
I
now.
will build it for you.
Oh no. Hey, you're building my house?
Yes, I'm helping you.
Maybe this one, like this. Yes, perfect.
Perfection.
Oh man, maybe I put a window here. Here, wow. See that?
What's this?
Are you building your house too? How about? Oh no.
My house.
See? May I see what's you're doing now? Ah, you're so slow doing it. May I help you?
Whoops. My bad.
How about that? How about that? How about let's put a roof?
Now.
Yes. What kind of roof
What
do you want?
happened?
Maybe this roof.
Oh my goodness.
There, you're doing it well. There you go. We have a roof now. Nice.
Oh no.
You finish it now and I will finish mine now.
My friend will be a creeper. And a zombie.
Your friend is a creeper. What?
Yes. A creeper and a zombie. Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Oh man.
Only dresses. Mommy, my house is almost done.
Yes, I saw it.
It's now done.
Your door is on the other side. Wow! Why your house is bigger than mine?